Right now, hundreds of airsoft players are suffering from airsoft apathy and don't even know it. Those suffering from airsoft apathy no longer derive pleasure from playing the game.
There's always a guy hiding in the bunker. People players not calling their hits. Shocking. Hit! How did he know I was here?
It's only a matter of time before airsoft apathy encompasses a player's entire life.
I feel trapped, too.
Some players, after a while, become so apathetic, it's pathetic.
I said I was hit. They just kept shooting. I was hit. I was out. I was dead. Why?
Fortunately for the airsoft apathetic, there's a cure. Danger Close Airsoft, where you can run, jump, shoot BBs at people, and throw thunder bees at unsuspecting motherfuckers. So if you or someone you know is suffering from airsoft apathy, come play with Danger Close Airsoft. You can look us up on Facebook at any time. We'll be happy to see you. Come play.